Hi, I'm Calum, one of the fifth-year medical students at the University of Aberdeen. This summer I got to spend 2 months at the Steinberg Laboratory in Durham, North Carolina as part of the MRC Scholarship Programme. The Steinberg Laboratory focuses on work in different Aspergillus species. The larger project I was involved in is trying to better understand how the FKSA gene controls the production of a cell wall component in Aspergillus fumigatus. The goal of my work was to add a GFP tag to this gene so that the enzyme it codes for fluoresces under light microscopy. This meant that I gained experience in basic lab techniques like PCR, gene cloning, gel electrophoresis, and also growing Aspergillus colonies. I'd only been to the US once before as a child to go to Disney World, so this was really my first proper experience of the country. North Carolina is a very varied state with big cosmopolitan cities like Durham, surrounded by very rural conservative areas. While I was there, I got to go to a lot of cultural events like Juneteenth, which was a celebration of the emancipation of slaves after the Civil War. I also visited other parts of the states like Wilmington, which is the first time I got to swim in a warm sea, and I also went to Asheville, which was a very trendy city up in the mountains that was famous for its beer breweries. I feel that this scholarship really expanded my experience of academic research, both in terms of the lab techniques I learned, but also just understanding that systematic approach that underpins research. My previous research experience had been through a social science integrated degree, so I felt like this placement gave me the opportunity to kind of compare the differences and similarities in research between different fields. I'm also planning to apply for the academic foundation programme for my first 2 years as a junior doctor,